Okay, there's a Scooby dog update. Scooby's getting old and slow. He's stuck out in the shop today and he's not happy because I'm banging, making noise. Look at that, he's cowering over there. What are you doing, Scooby? You ready to go? Yeah. Scooby don't like the light in his eyes. How about that? Come here, Scooby. Come on. Oh, now you don't want to be anywhere near me. Look at that. That dog's getting old and lazy. Look at that dog. Turn the light on. Bother him. Light up them eyeballs. Look at that dog. Yeah, he wants to go get Mama. Oh, he's been stuck out here for a few hours in the shop. There you go. There's Scooby Dog. There's a Scooby Dog. There's a Scooby Dog. Alright. Anyway, he spends all his time sleeping. He's old and gray. So I've been working on my shop here. I just got done clearing off the welding table. I got the welder hooked up, the TIG welder hooked up back there in the wall. Right there, right in the main panel box. So now the wires are, where's this wire I threw up in here? I went through and cleaned all this up too. Yeah, what did I do with the wire? Somewhere there's a piece of wire. Yeah, I figured I'd try to show something. I can't get nothing. There it is, way back here. Yeah, who buried it back there? Ah, there it is. Alright, there's my wire. So that's my cable down there, coming in, goes in the wall. So this is, whatever this is a 4 gauge maybe, I don't know, 2 gauge, didn't say. It's big. So, but the wire coming out of the wall there, going into there is, the small stuff is this size, the big stuff's this size, so this is dinky compared to what's in that panel box. So the problem I was having with this welder was it was pulsing when I was welding, because I was using my quick disconnect plug, which was right up there over here. Is this thing here. Standard industrial plug. I think they're rated for 40 amps or something like that, 50 amp, I don't remember. I can't find anything bigger. But I burned up these contacts because this thing here will pull 150 amps probably. So I burned up a couple of these. So I figured out some of the problems I was having. So now it's wired directly in the wall, panel box. There's 50 foot of cable underneath the machine, just in a big loop. So I can still move the machine. If it would fit through here, which it doesn't, I can move it. But so anyway, that's how I did that. So I'm gonna do some welding. I gotta do some case repair on the knuckle cases here. So that was today's project, was trying to weld these up, but I haven't quite got to it yet. These have some issues in places that are broken. Here, there. Looks like I lost a rod. Just weld all that back up in there where it's broken. So it's got a bunch of issues. That's what we call things I have to fix. So there's an issue right there too. Other than that, it's a pretty nice looking set of cases. What are these? Are 47. So there's another breakthrough there, but so anyway, I got to deal with that. So I haven't done any welding for a while, and I'm not sure the machine's going to work. So I'm going to practice on something. So I dug out a head here, 59 pan head. So it's got a broken lip through here, so I'll just grind that all out and weld it all up. I never had much luck just one little area, so I think I'm just gonna knock it down flat, kind of like it would be right here, and just weld it up. Be a lot easier. It's easy how things work around here. Just make it easier. You spend more time dicking around trying to get one little piece and trying to get the weld to that little tit right there, and it keeps melting. You're chasing your tail all the way around the damn thing. So screw that. Got a fender fix right there. It's broken away. Obviously exhaust spigot's gone. That's easy. So someone did a bunch of beating and banging on the head and knocked a bunch of clips in the head right here. And when they drill the holes through here for the bolts, they somehow decided they want to drill all through the whole damn head all the way through, which doesn't make sense to me. But so I'll V these out, weld those up. I'm not sure if these holes are oversized past the helicoil or not. My guess that probably is, but I'm not going to. I'll probably come back later and bore these out and weld them, but for now I'm going to leave those alone because I'm not sure. Other than that, the head looks pretty good. So, very, very small cracks down in here. Didn't even see this one until after I blasted it. But anyway, it's a typical head I bought on eBay for $300. And you can fix them. These you spend, you know, $3 to $5 grand, and then you got to fix these too. But anyway, these are customer jobs, so deal with that. So anyway, I've been clearing things off, getting things organized, put away. Got my grinders laid up in here. I still don't know where all my grinding bits are at, but I found those. At least I got some grinders. I dug out my original stuff that I used years ago. It's all this kind of stuff here in the drawers. So I cleaned these all up and organized them a little bit. There's some of the welding stuff that I used to use back in the day. Back in the day was, that would be in the 90s for me, in the 80s. So this stuff I use now, it's all this stuff over here. I organized all of this when I put it all back. It was in that big box down there, so I organized everything where I can get to it. So, and then hopefully that's ready to weld. I go find some more welding rod. This is the only welding rod sitting here from leftover, so I go dig up a bunch of welding rod. This is the only one I found so far, which is, I think, steel. So there's a whole bunch of it out in the truck. I gotta go dig through the truck. Otherwise known the outside storage area. So anyway, I've just been cleaning up stuff. Scooby's resting. So I just got done straightening this pan out. It was bent. Right here, something fell on it right here and bent the hell out of it. So I had to do a little body work, square it up, make it look nice. So I got another drain pan. This is one of the leftover ones from Dad's shop. So yeah, I went up there and dug a bunch of stuff out of up over there. Digging stuff out. I just redid the electrical over here. Still got a trip hazard, but not as bad. This one I kept popping the circuit breaker on it. And the cord was short, so it pulled straight across like this. So this one here is long enough it goes down low. Power strip's way down there. So now all my machines are working. So I was able to trip it too, but it took a little effort. So let's see if we'll do it again. See, normally you go like this, it kills it. See, it just killed it. So it still has the same power issue, but I think it's got a little bit more. Maybe there's another amp more there to be had. I think these are 15 amp. So 15 amp isn't enough to work grinders. 20 amp. We need 20 amp. I don't have a 20 amp, so we use the 15. So anyway, so I've been buying stuff on eBay. Just because I have no room does not mean I do not buy more parts. So this is stuff I bought on eBay. I don't have any used parts here, so I'm making a new pile. So this is all used stuff I just bought until I get a lot of crap. Some gas tanks. Those are 51.2, maybe 3 gas tanks. Panhead. There's some more junk in here I bought. I'm always buying junk. I even bought a shovel head. That's a little bit new for me, but this is actually a pretty damn nice looking head. Once you get past all the corrosion, the exhaust port is not worn. The intake nipple's not broken. Looks like somebody tried to pour it a little bit. The valves are sitting up fairly high, it looks like. No broken fins. It's a pretty good head. And I think it was a 1970 head. There you go. They're becoming more valuable. They're like panheads used to be. You can buy them for $100 all day long. Not anymore. Now even those are going for a couple $100 a piece, which is ridiculous. It's a shovel head. Jeez. So panheads are, I don't know, these guys leave the stuff out in the oceans, I guess. I don't know how they get so corroded. This one has a fin problem. But anyway, I got a bunch of them laying around. I got a UL cylinder, 45 cylinder, Sportster head. I'd buy anything. Typical me. Alright, well Scooby is definitely working up a storm over here. Uh-oh, he heard me. He knows I'm talking about him. Yeah, that's right. So we got this nice doggy bed there for him, and he doesn't like using it. He likes laying over there. I'm going to clean up my chemicals over here a little bit. Found I had got 5 cans of black paint. I couldn't find a single can when I needed it. But, oh well. I found a box of paint, that's why. I'm always finding stuff where I hit it before. Alright, Scooby's ready to go. You ready to go? Huh? You ready to go get Mama? Yeah, he's ignoring me. Alright, it's getting cold out here. It was 58, it's up to 62. Did some blasting. Alright, Scooby's ready to go. He doesn't look like it though, does he? Come on, let's go. We're leaving. Yeah, he liked that part. Yeah, he likes that part. Yeah, Scooby likes that part. Scooby knows all about that door. He knows he has to wait to go out. There he goes. He can jam out now. There he goes. He's gone. There you go. He's gone. It's dark out. All right. That's it for now.